Right. So hi there. So I got some more wall paneling I'm going to be putting up. These are ABS plastic, I think is the correct term. But they're basically plastic strips that you can put together. They're kind of like a tongue and groove, but not exactly. It's just a flat piece that goes into here. And they're plastic, so you can cut around your sockets and stuff like that and cut it to the length you need. But what's neat is it comes with these little guys here. And what you do is you basically just take that and put it on the lip like that. And that holds this into place. And then that allows you to put it over top of the other one. I'm probably, since this is going to be my first one, I'm probably going to put a nail on this side just to hold it. But you can also put some liquid nails or something on the back of this to try to help it stay where it's at. We're not looking for something that permanent. We're just looking to try to get an accent wall going here. So I've already drawn out a line that's level, a little bit away from our other sound deadening here. And I'm basically just going to slide this in next to it, find my line, and basically level it up like that. And that will be how I do the first one. Now we're going to take this all the way up to the ceiling. So let me go ahead and get my nails that I'm going to be using. And I'm just going to be using nails on this. I'm not going to be using screws or anything like that. So it does come with some wall anchors and screws, but like I said, this is just for now. And if we like it, we'll put it up. We'll put it up permanently. But we're just testing this out for right now. And I'm just going to use some simple flat screws here to put this up with. I do need to put a few more of these on. One at the top, one at the bottom. We'll go like there, and I'll do one down here. I'm just going to get this up against the ceiling. Make sure I get the ivy out of the way. I'm going to find my line. That should be good. And I want to make sure this thing is up against the ceiling as much as possible. There's my line. And I'm just going to tap a couple of nails into this. I don't mind if the first one moves. I can basically readjust as needed. And it doesn't have to be perfect with the first one. It's up to you how perfect you want this to be. That looks pretty good. Grab another nail here real quick. And I'm actually going to put one over here to try and stop it from going back and forth. Actually, I think I'm just going to go top. And that way, that'll stop it from going back and forth. The chair's in the way. There we go. All right. Don't move. I'm going to press this up against that. I'm just going to do a simple nail there. And I'm going to check level because this level is basically going to say whether or not everything else is level. And it's pretty good. I'm okay with that. This whole house is crooked. So now I have that up there. I'm going to go ahead and put another nail down here just to hold it in place like that. And I should be able to take this and basically just put the edge inside of the other one, push it up to the ceiling, and you heard it snap, and now she's in. That's basically all there is to putting them together. I'm just making sure that that is in there nice and tight before I try to nail this. I'm going to do another one. And like I said, you can put liquid nails on this to really make it be a permanent thing if you so choose. Go ahead and put that back up there. Put one down here. And you don't need to have them in any specific area whenever you put them in, because there's no, it has to be here kind of thing. Do one down here. I'm wondering, should I be tapping these in? Now, it doesn't seem like you need to tap them in, but they don't hold themselves in. They just go into the groove as a place to go. Use these guys to put it onto the wall. It's just the friction of this being inside of this that basically holds it up. And then these little guys just help to keep it there. But you don't need to, if I tap on this, it's not gonna push that in any further. So anyways, so I got 4 panels up, I think. There's a plug down here that I'm gonna have to cut out. And like I said, we're looking at this first, deciding if this is where we want it or this is how we want it. But this will be good for tonight, just how we need it, because this is a backdrop. And we're gonna go ahead and check it out. But it worked really well, went together very easily. It's pretty stable just with the few nails that I'm using to put up. I didn't put the metal pieces over here on the end. I actually just drove a couple of nails in at the tongue and groove area just to hold it in so that those pieces of metal aren't hanging out. You can see up there's one that I did. You can't really see it unless you're looking for it. So that works really well, and if you're looking to remodel your wall with something different and not spend much effort to do it, this will do it. So check it out.